In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a new channel or how to create a new YouTube channel. If you want to get the optimal result from your new channel, there are some things you must do while creating your new YouTube channel, and there are other things you must not do in order to get the best result out of this new channel, and the time frame you need to drop your first video. So first of all, the first thing you need to do is to open YouTube tab. As you can see, for you to set up your YouTube channel, there are two settings you must carry out. The first is at the physical layer. We have the outer layer that are going to affect the settings without going to YouTube Studio, and then we have the internal layer that you must effect in YouTube Studio. So I'm going to begin with the outer layer settings for your new YouTube channel. So first of all, create your email address if you already have one. I believe you have one. Then you log into YouTube, you tap on YouTube, and once you open YouTube, automatically your email address, there will be a default YouTube account for you. But that default YouTube account will be a name that is attached to your email address, which is your Gmail. Then for you to edit it, you now tap, you see your email icon here. Okay, you see it, then you tap on it. And once you tap on it, and once it opens, you will see view your channel. This is what you are tapping on. Tap on view your channel. So immediately you tap on view your channel, then you tap on customize channel. Customize channel. Then it will bring you to this dashboard or this window. And once you are in this window, the first thing you need to do is to change your banner or to upload your banner. If you want to use banner for your channel, you can do that. If you don't want to, you can leave it blank. But you should create a banner for your YouTube channel before even starting. Exactly. And this is the expected banner size, 2048 by 1152, and it must not exceed 6 MB. Exactly. It can be less, but it shouldn't be more than 6 megabytes. Then once you are done uploading this, the next thing you do is to change your profile picture. Of course, these two, you must have designed your profile picture and also your banner picture before even starting. Then you think about a name that will suit your brand, because like I told you, the name you are going to see here will be related to your Gmail, the name on your Gmail account. But from here, you can now decide to create your handle. This is very important. You create your handle, and if your handle is so common, it will be very difficult for you to find it here. So what you do, you keep adjusting until you can get the proper handle that can best describe your new YouTube channel. So like mine, you can see Daily Tech Classroom. Daily Tech Classroom. So this is my channel handle, and you can see everything here. And in case you don't like the handle, you can decide to change it within 14 days, twice in 14 days. You can do that. Then this is very important. Then you have your description. This is where you insert your overall channel description. You can see that this channel is about YouTube, smartphone, tech, AI, and things of that nature. And then you briefly describe what your channel is all about and paste it here. Why you must do this is so that the algorithm will be able to identify specifically what your channel is all about. Exactly. And this one is also for the public consumption, because if a viewer enters into your YouTube homepage, these are the details he can easily view and to know what your channel is all about. So this is your identity. Whatever you write here should be very direct, plain, and simple to understand. Then after that, you have your specific channel address. This is your channel address. Exactly. So make sure this channel address is being kept safe. Although it is here already, you can see it, you can copy it, and you can do whatever you want to do with it. So this is your unique channel address. Take note of this. Then you can decide to add links, maybe your Facebook page, your Instagram, whatever it is, you can add them to this place. You don't have limitation to this. You can add as many as possible. And once you are done, Then your video watermark by default, if you want to show a watermark on your video, then you can decide to upload your watermark from here, and then every video you upload, the watermark will be showing around this place at the bottom right hand corner. Is that clear? Please take note that every setting here is basically for the public consumption. So see how you can paint this very well so that it will attract even the viewers to subscribe to your channel. Then once you are done with this, you see that this is under profile, right? Then you have home tab. How do you want your home page to look like? Then you tap on this home page. Now this is very important. As a new YouTube channel, you see that this place will be turned off. Can you see it? So meaning if an individual tap on your visit your channel, he won't see anything on the home page. Is that clear? So for the person to see some things on the home page, your videos, then you must tap this on. All right. Once this is on, then you can begin to add layouts. You can add up to 12 layouts in this section. You tap on this add icon. Okay. Tap on this. Then you are going to see your channel trailer. That is just like an advertisement for your channel. Then the spotlight for returning subscribers. Okay. Then for you section, all your videos, then popular videos, live videos. In case you will be going live, you also include this. Then upcoming lives, single playlist, multiple playlists, subscription, and the rest. You can decide to add them as many as possible here. Is that clear? All these are going to be seen in your home page. Now after doing this, very important here, there are some things you need to have effect here for maximum impact. You see this more setting icon, this more setting, tap on it. Okay, then you see what to include in the for you section. You turn on all this. Okay, then how recent do you want your videos to be shown in your home page? Is it all content recommended or recent content only? This one will show the videos between 12 months, within 12 months. Then this will show all your videos in the home page. So it depends on the kind of content you are creating. If you know you are going to change content in time to come, then it's better you leave it at recent. But if you know that the content you are going to start with is going to be your default content throughout this channel, then leave it at all content. Is that clear? That is done for this particular section. Please take note of that. So once you are done with this, this is for the visitor to your channel. Once you are done with all this, then you need to now customize your channel for your algorithm. Okay, this, like I said, you have two faces. This is the first face, the outer face. Then we have the inner face, which is for the YouTube algorithm, and it is very important. Of course, it's just like building a house. The foundation holds the key to whatever structure you build outside of that particular foundation. So that is it. So once you are done, please you click on publish. Okay, you click on publish and save your information. Then once you are done, the next thing to do is to head over to your dashboard. Head over to your dashboard. Okay, if you are here already, you tap on your dashboard here, and once you're on this dashboard, there are many settings you need to apply here by default. Just go straight to settings. You see these settings, tap on settings. Yes, tap on settings. Once you are done with this, then you see general settings, leave it as US dollars. Okay, then you see channel. This description is now for your algorithm. Very important. So here what you do, you see this is under basics now, basic info. So you tap some keywords, general keywords, specific niche keywords, and then content keywords that describes your channel, the videos you are going to be releasing, the niche you are focusing on. These are your keywords for the channel, overall channel keyword. So you begin to type them here. I hope I'm communicating here. So make sure the keywords you are typing here describes your content perfectly so that the algorithm will be able to understand your videos and suggest them to the right audience. Then once you are done with this, you now click on save. The next is advanced settings. Under these advanced settings, if your videos are not for kids, set this channel as not made for kids. Okay, I almost never upload content that made for kids, so tap on this. Exactly. And if you want to be reviewing this setting every time you tap on I want to review these settings for every video. Exactly. Now, if once you are done with this, then you see automatic captions. Automatic captions. These are automatic captions, automatic dubbing. If you are creating a new channel, I will not advise you to enable this. It will affect your dubbing process. The voice that will be dubbed by YouTube AI will not be perfect and it will affect your views. So please don't turn these particular settings on yet. Leave it. Okay. Then allow viewers to clip my content. Yes. Let YouTube enhance video quality. Yes. Let YouTube enhance audio quality. Yes. Okay. Then allow third party training. This one, AI will be fetching your data from your channel to train itself. So you can either allow it or disallow it. It's your choice based on this. Is that clear? Then we have, after you're done with this, you go to future eligibility. This is very important now. This is very important. Without these features being enabled, I'm telling you, your channel will be limited. Okay, you can manage access to more features here. We have three features. You have the standard features, you have the intermediate features, you have advanced feature. For standard, you can upload videos, you can create playlists and add collaborators and new playlists. Okay, but here you can see that you are limited. Is that clear? Because for intermediate feature, videos over 15 minutes can be uploaded. For this, it means you cannot upload videos that is beyond 15 minutes. And then you can use custom thumbnails if you enable intermediate. But for here, you cannot enable custom thumbnail. It means that the thumbnail will be selected automatically by YouTube from your video. So you see this, you see what you must do. You must enable this first standard features. After that, you now verify your phone number. You insert your phone number and verify your phone number, and this will happen within few minutes. So please, I've done this already. I would expect you to insert your phone number and then you verify your phone number perfectly. Please don't go and use phone number that somebody else has used. All right, use a clean phone number for your channel to avoid future issues like your channel being terminated or your channel being banned. Many people are facing this problem currently. Please try to avoid that. And most importantly, you see this advanced feature. I will advise you now currently. These are what you need to verify for the advanced features, and these are what you tend to benefit. Your second feature, intermediate features must be enabled. Then you can use either video verification or valid ID history or channel history. Can you see this? You can see that I use channel history, not video verification. This might take some time, okay, weeks before it will be enabled for you if you want channel history. Okay, but if you use video verification and valid ID card, this can be done within few minutes or hours. But why I will not advise you to use video verification is because if you now have issues with this particular channel, YouTube already has your face. It has your face. It recognizes your face. The algorithm knows that. So immediately this channel is banned or has an issue and you are demonetized. Once you create another channel and you try to use your face to verify that channel, automatically you'll be flagged and your channel will be deleted. That is it. I've seen it happening. I've even tried it. So please, I will advise you on what to do here. Whatever you are using here, you should be very careful. I've shown you I've shown you the implication as to what this can create to your channel. So with this third advanced feature enabled, these are what you can do. I hope you are seeing them perfectly. So please, even before you post your first video, make sure that at least this second or third advanced feature is being enabled. This will not affect your views. Exactly. This cannot affect your views. So once you are done, you click on save. Then you move to upload defaults. This one is so important to you so that you will not be repeating some things. Anything that you know, any information or details that you know that are going to be constant in your future uploads, you can now type them here. Anyone that you know you are going to be changing, you will leave them blank. Like title for your video might be changing according to the new video, so leave this blank. Then your description, there are some information you can insert into this description as default information, so that immediately you upload your video, you can still add more details into your description. Is that one clear? Then visibility here, make sure you leave it at unlisted. Many people are having issues with this. When you're uploading your video, automatically unlisted will be selected, not private and not public. This will give the video a chance to be processed properly, and it will also give the algorithm to study your video for some time before you release the video to the public. So please take note of this default setting, visibility settings. Make sure you select unlisted. Please take note. And then your tags. These tags are specifically for your videos. That particular video you're uploading, what is the topic about? So the tags you are going to be placing here should be related to that particular topic. So what I would advise you to do, there should be some default tags based on your channel name and your channel niche. Then you will now leave the other part empty, blank, so that anytime you upload your video, you will just add those tags to these already existing tags in your channel. I hope this information is helpful to you so far. So once you are done, you click on save. Then you go to advanced settings again. You see under these advanced settings, if your channel is about tutorials, it's about maybe information, you give information, you teach some vital lessons like this one. You can see my category is under education. Yes, I prefer education because my content educate people. So you tap on education and then standard YouTube license. Make sure you select standard YouTube license. Okay, also check allow automatic chapters and key moments. Then for your language, if you are an English speaker, then you can select United States. Okay, and then your caption, you select this content has never aired on television in the United States. That is the caption you select for your channel. Is that clear? Then title and description, in what language you type, you select the particular language here. Then comments. Do you want comments for your video? Engagement? Yes. So you turn comment on. If you don't want comment, you can turn it off. Then moderation. Do you want to moderate the comment before they are released to the public? Automatically you can select whatever I want to do from here. Then show how many people like your video. By default, you can select this and check it. Then you save. Once you are done with this, I'm telling you, you're on your way to setting up your channel to go viral even before you go viral. That's a secret I'm going to give you at the end of this video as we progress. So once you are done with these settings, of course, you know that your channel is still empty. At this point, you don't have any content yet, isn't it? So what you do, you come to earn. You see this earn. You tap on this earn, and then what you do is that you turn it on. Even though your channel is still new, make sure you turn this on so that YouTube will notify you the progress of your channel. If you are eligible for monetization, you'll be notified automatically. Is that one clear? So these are the most settings you must do. So once you are done with this, you are almost 80% good to go. So how do you warm up your channel? So once you are done with this, you will now begin to use this particular channel. Don't post any video immediately. Use this channel to watch YouTube videos that are related to your content, the content you are going to be producing. Use this channel and begin to search for those contents. Then you begin to watch them. Watch them maybe once a day or twice a day. You begin to watch those content, and you are warming the channel so that YouTube AI or algorithm will not think that this is a bot, because it might think that your channel is a bot and it will be deleted. So for it to recognize it as a human that is controlling the channel, you must also behave like a human. Hence, use the channel to watch video. You can use it to comment, you can use it to like and also share. After 1 week, you know you have warmed the channel, then you can release your first video on the channel. And once you're able to do that, I'm telling you, you will experience a very perfect scenario to that. Now, after releasing 1 or 2 videos to your channel, this is the last information I'm going to give to you in order to help you know that the algorithm has finally understood your channel and your content. Now, your number one, you go to your content. Okay, go to your content. You see inspiration here, you tap on inspiration. You see, this is AI. The AI will suggest topics and title of videos for you to produce. If the titles suggested here are not related to your content, okay, it means that the YouTube AI is yet to understand your niche. And with that being said, if it doesn't understand your niche, then it will be struggling to give you views. So please upload videos. Just keep on uploading, even if you are seeing result or not. Start uploading maybe once a day, or once in 2 days, or once in 3 days, so that you give the YouTube AI more information about your channel. Once you're able to achieve this, it doesn't mean that the algorithm has finally understand your channel. This is how you will now determine it. You tap on analytics. Tap on analytics. Once it open, this is your key. You see this trend. Tap on trend. Now, you will now check this, get ideas for your next video. If the ideas suggested here are not related to your niche, to your videos, it means that the algorithm is here to figure out your channel and your niche and your content and even your audience. So you can see Android phone charging problem, digital communication. You can see that these are related to my content. You can see what it suggests here. Okay, show all. You can see the videos it's suggesting. They are all related to my channel content. Exactly. And you can also use this panel to get ideas and inspiration for your first video. And if you're able to do it right, your first viral video is going to be perfect. So please use this tab to get the first video to produce for your channel, so that you kick off with the best, and then your channel will hit a banger. So these and many more are some of the tricks and tips I'm giving you on how to start a new channel this year. If it is helpful to you, please subscribe and check this channel for more tutorials and guide on how to grow on YouTube. I will see you in the next one.